xCool magnetic powerless charging. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna introduce you to a power bank. It's called xCool, this one. It's 10,000 mAh magnetic wireless charging power bank, and adapter is included. Thank you very much for sending this product to me, and we will use it. Okay, this one. Included in this box is the adapter, which is this one. It's very good because they included. And the sticker for this power bank. Actually, many power bank color you can choose from them, and this one, by the way, is for the power bank. This one you can place it here like this, so like that. And the cable, this one, so if ever your power bank is out of battery, no more power, you can charge it, okay, together with the adapter. And this one, by the way, if you're so confused about this one, it will make your power bank with the phone together. You can either stand it or in lie down. I will show you later. Okay, this one, it's like a strip. So this one. So let's try our newest wireless power bank, xCool, by the way. This one, xCool. You can either charge it wirelessly and with wired. Let me show you. So this is the power bank, and don't forget to include the sticky thing, the blue one here, to make the power bank charge to your phone. This one, you just easily attach to it. Stick it, by the way. And the details here, this is the charging port, by the way, this one, and this is the on and off button in white, like that. Okay, so let's attach my iPhone here to make it charge. Let's try it. This one here. Okay, to it like this, there, and like this. It's charging already. So as long as it attached at the back of your phone, it will charge. This one. So let's try the strip, making the phone standing, or like this, like a strip stand or phone stand, you can say that. So this power bank is this power bank is so handy. You can bring it at work when you're in emergency to charge your phone, and no one will notice it that it's just like this while you are walking or anything, you're doing something. So it's very ideal and very handy, I can say, and perfect for your friends and family for this holidays. This one, xCool power bank wireless charger. So let's try the other one using this one, make it phone stand or charge. Okay.